successful one of the three. It's the 7th time that they will play, and their best result was an 8th place in the men's and an 18th place in the ladies. In total, they won 2 silver medals, and Daria Lavanauskas won them both. 1 silver in the pairs back in 2012, and 1 silver in the singles back in 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Lithuania!
Lietumi gaivino, švelniai veidus prausė ir per kūno laukiant jo vardą šaukė. Kas naktim veido, dangumi skraidino, kol dangus ir mėnuo lietumi gaivino, žmonės savo veidus rūkose skandino.
Here is Slovakia for the Europe Cup 2024.